So the first move you need is an inner hip roll. This is a vertical figure eight of the hips that comes up and over and then in through the center. You're going to create it by squeezing the oblique and lifting your heel up off the floor as you roll from one foot to the other. When Shakira does it, she also gives a little drop on her other foot to give it a little bit of a pulse, a little bit of a rhythm. When she does it, she brings her arms up this way, up to above the head. And then she immediately reverses it, brings the arms back down, and changes the hips to a Maya, which is out, over, and down. She's actually doing more of like an outer hip roll because her heels are lifting off the floor. So we're thinking about up, over, down, and also giving a little bit of that heel drop to give it a little bit of an accent in the hips. So you're gonna go up with this, prepare, and then take it back down. Yeah, so if we're starting on your right side, you're gonna go right, left, pull it up, take it down and down. Yeah, the next move now is going to continue with those Mayas, but she does it here with her hands down and she kind of gives it a little bit of an accent. You can continue with the heels, or if you want to make it a little less bouncy, take the heels and keep them on the ground, and the hands are sort of mirroring what's happening in the hips. Next move is actually a chest circle. So a really big vertical chest circle that goes side up, side down. She does these really big. You can use your knees just a little bit to give it a little bit more bounce. Yeah, and the arms are gonna stay down by the side if you wanna do it just like she did. Arms down by the side. So what we have so far is hips come in, 1, 2, 3, 4, then prep, then they go out, 2, and then they hold here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and chest and chest. Now this next part is when she steps out from behind the microphone and then her hips go crazy. If you're wanting to know what that is, I can totally tell you. It's a Hagala shimmy, and let me show you how to do it. The Hagala shimmy is built from an up, over, and down in the hips, like you're walking forward, but as you step, your hip goes down. On top of this, we're adding an extra bump. Once you step, you're gonna put your weight on that front foot and go up, down. Then the other hip is ready to go forward. Step, knee bends, up, down. This hip is now lifted so we can go up, over. It's like drawing a rainbow here. Up, down, yeah? Up and over, drawing a rainbow, up, down. I'll show you from this side. Up, over, down, up, down, 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 down, up, down. When we take it to tempo, it's pretty awesome. A little bit more challenging. We're gonna go and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Here's from the other side. And a down and a down and a down and a down. And she does it really fast, which is why like all the fringe on her costume goes crazy, because it's really fast and really big. All right, so after that Hagala shimmy, she moves into some Egyptian weighted downs. So this is a little similar to the down in the Hagala, but it's gonna go straight to the side. So I want you to think to stretch your hip over a bit, bend the knee, and think of locking it down on one side. Down, down, down. And then if you want to give it a little extra oomph, you could think about squeezing the glute on the other side of your body. So if you're pushing down to the right, you can squeeze the left glute to give the right side a little bit more down. Okay, so after those, she does like a one body chomp. It's like a big chomp of the entire body as though you were like a Pac-Man. You're gonna open your chest, open your hips, chomp down, and this is what gets into the shimmy, which is what ends the choreography. Is there another Shakira dance that you would like to know how to do? Post below and let me know. I would absolutely love to teach you. And if you want to learn even more shimmies, even more than maybe Shakira has, you can join me for my course, The Sensational Shimmy Intensive, which will teach you 22 different Egyptian shimmies and variations that you can use in your belly dance practice. You can find it now at sahirabellydances.com/shimmy. So let's look at the timing of the Hagala into the Egyptian down, into the chomp. It's going to be 8 counts of each, starting on your right. So 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and chomp. Yeah, as she does the Hagala, her hands are down. She's doing some floreos, some wrist circles. And then when she goes into the Egyptian downs, the hands are kind of mirroring what's going on, and so they're pushing down on the same side as the hip that is activating down. You're almost there. There's just one more move to go, and it's a really good one. This one is a knee-based hip shimmy. So with your weight firmly in both feet, you're going to move the knees back and forth, never coming to straight. So you're always in a little bit of a plie, so your hips should be going up and down, up and down. So she does this for a couple of counts, and then she layers a reverse pelvic undulation. Without the shimmy, this looks like this. A reverse pelvic undulation is going to start with a tuck of the pelvis underneath you, then a push and a roll forward as you sort of open the belly to the front, bring it back under. Now, get that shimmy going. Tuck, release, roll, pull it back. Tuck, release, roll, pull it back. And what she does here, she dives her hands in and brings them up. And she holds it here. She does maybe about 6 of them here. And then the final one is really big and ends in a chest lock. So it's going to come up, the shimmy will stop, and the chest will lock down to end. All right, you're doing great. Let's review all the moves, nice and slow, and then we'll put it together with her video. Yeah? Okay. All right, here we go. Starting with the inner hip roll on the left, we're going inner, 2, 3, 4, press, then outer, outer, and then outer with the down, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, chest, chest, and then she steps out from behind the microphone. Hagala, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hip downs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and chomp. Bring the arms up, reverse, reverse, reverse. Let's do one more, and then here's the big one with the lock. Oh my goodness, fabulous dancer. You did it. You officially shook it like Shakira. Nicely done. So don't stop there. Check out another tutorial. I cannot wait to share the dance floor with you again very soon.